Hello guys, welcome back to yet another video with the Nomad Traders. Today we'll be discussing a PSU stock which has given a fantastic return of 20% in the past 1 month. This particular stock has been consolidating for the past 4 years. After 4 years of good consolidation, this has given a solid breakout. So without much delay, let's get into the stock. So guys, this particular PSU doesn't need much of an introduction. Indian Oil Corporation has been consolidating since 2017. Okay, and after 4 years of consolidation, it has formed a flag pattern, and this flag pattern was taken out the month of May 2021. So to be honest, I missed out this breakout somewhere or the other, and I was too late into the stock. I entered somewhere around here. So first let's discuss the pattern it has been forming. So after this breakout of this flag pattern, right, it has come into a channel pattern. So it has been forming higher highs and lower lows. Okay. So and this particular channel pattern has been taken out again. Okay. So let's get into the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, you see that this particular channel pattern, right, has been taken out, and post breakout of this channel pattern, it has been consolidating briefly, and post this consolidation again you see some sort of a rally, right? On the broader perspective, it is definitely on the bullish side, which is clearly evident from the price action which we saw on the weekly and daily time frames. Okay, so is there an entry opportunity right now? Definitely yes, there is an entry opportunity. Your entry would be somewhere around this level, and your stop loss will be 1 and 2. So it will be below 2 swings low. So your risk would work out to be around 6%. And what is the reward which you will be getting, or you can expect, right? So if you ideally see, your first level of target would be at this swing high, right? So this will be your first level of target, which works out to be 25%. So you would be risking 6% and you would be targeting 25%. This works out to be a risk to reward ratio of 1 is to 4.24. And your second level of target will be 200 levels, which also acts to be a psychological resistance as well as the swing high of this particular zone. Okay, so this will work out to be 51% returns against 6% risk, which works out to be 1 is to 8 risk to reward. And your final target will be 226 levels, so which is around 68% returns and a risk to reward ratio of 1 is to 11, right? So there is definitely an upside potential in this particular stock, and well, talking about my entry into this trade, let's take a look at where I entered this trade. Okay, I have the details filled in, and let me refresh. So I entered this trade on 13th of September at 113 for 113.45 levels. So it works out to be this candle. Okay, 13th of September. Okay, so where was my stop loss? If you clearly see, I was pretty much late into this trade. The breakout happened here, and I noticed this breakout only over here. So I had to be much more judicious in choosing my stop loss. So let's look into smaller time frames to see how I decided my stop loss. So let's get deeper into 1 hour time frame, right? Into the 1 hour time frame. So this was the candle which I entered, right? So to be safe, I had to keep two swing lows as my protection, because see, first thing is that I saw a good support line, okay, on which this particular trend was developing. So this was my first level of support, and my second level of support would be two swings below this. So if I entered over here, this would be a swing low, this would be another swing low, and this would be another swing low. So I have three levels of supports, right? From here up till here, right? So this was my stop loss. So my stop loss, I had three swing lows which was acting in my favor on this particular support line, so which would prevent the price from falling down from here till here. So my stop loss was around 3.67%. And what was the reward which I've got till date? Like, right? So the price is currently at this particular level, right? So 18, no, price is currently at 134 levels, 130, 134, 135, right? So I've got a return of nearly about 19 to 20%, taking a risk of 3.5%. It works out to be a risk to reward ratio of 1 is to 5.5, right? So am I holding on to this trade? Definitely yes. I've I've still kept my positions open. So I have moved my stop loss from this swing low to this particular swing low at 126. Currently my stop loss is at 126.75. So guys, I hope the information I shared in this particular PSC stock was really helpful and helped you in your trading decisions. So if you like the content of this particular channel, do like, share and subscribe. Do share it with your friends who are into investment, trading and stock market. Thank you.